English vocabulary. Adverbs. An adverb is a word used to modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Awkwardly. Awkwardly. In an ungainly manner, not smoothly or gracefully. They smiled awkwardly at the camera. She responded awkwardly to the allegations. Badly. Badly. In a defective, incorrect, or undesirable way. I thought he was treated very badly. She was badly affected by the events in her childhood. Bashfully. Bashfully. In a way that shows someone is very shy or easily embarrassed. He was smiling bashfully. He blushed bashfully.
Beautifully. Beautifully.
In a way that is very attractive. She dresses beautifully. Their house is beautifully decorated. Bitterly. Bitterly. In an angry, hurt, or resentful way. He was bitterly disappointed not to get the job. She wept bitterly at the news. Bleakly. Bleakly. In a way that suggests a lack of hope. She shook her head bleakly. He stared at me bleakly and said nothing. Blindly. Blindly. Not able to see or not noticing what is around you. He ran blindly upstairs. They just blindly followed the instructions they were given. Blissfully. Blissfully. Without knowing any of the unpleasant facts about something. All this time I was blissfully unaware of the situation. They seemed blissfully happy. Boldly. Boldly. In a brave and confident way, without showing any fear. He advanced boldly and knocked on the door. We must act, and we must act boldly. Bravely. Bravely. In a courageous manner. She faced the consequences bravely. He fought bravely in the midst of the battle. Briefly. Briefly. For a short time. We chatted briefly about the weather. Please briefly describe your experience. Brightly. Brightly. In a way that is full of light or shining. The stars were shining brightly. The restaurant is a little too brightly lit. Briskly. Briskly. In a quick, energetic way. She walked briskly into town. He turned and walked briskly back to the market. Broadly. Broadly. In general, and with the exception of minor details. Let us try to apply this approach more broadly. The 13 articles are broadly divided into 3 main sections. Busily. Busily. In a very active way. I was busily preparing for their arrival. He was busily engaged in other activities. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.